Hello again everybody and welcome to another little hand feeding video. Today we have some new arrivals, a new small clutch of cockatiels. Let's see here. Today's their first day on hand feeding. And oh, they're all so cute. Look like little dinosaurs. Cockatiels usually have a very strong feeding response, so it's usually not a problem getting them started. Not quite sure what it is yet, but as soon as they taste the food, away they should go. Maybe a little reluctant. What? Make sure the formula is warm enough. Yep. 42. Bring up. Right. There we go. You're great. And that should do it. Cockatiels have huge crops. They can take a lot of food at each feeding. All through the hand feeding process, they will eat huge amounts because they have so far to grow. They become large birds, quite large. Here, they weigh more than condors when they're full grown. So they have a lot of growing to do. They need a lot of food to fuel that. Combined with the extra long tail wings and their high activity level, they do require a good feeding. Had a little air in there. Oh, that's gone now. At this age, cockatiels will often swallow a lot of air with their food. Got a perfect back up. Yeah, you can see it. She seems swallowing the air now as crop going large and small. Top part's mostly air now. And we can get them to burp. There we go. Not like burping a baby, you don't gotta clap them on the back. And they don't spit up. That'll do for him. That's a nice big full crop for him. Her. Don't want you to assume. These little small ones, I pulled them a couple days early just because their parents pair are not the best parents. They're not as attentive as I would like, so I do pull a little early. But not too bad. Always interesting to see how small these birds are when they're just about a week old. Maybe a little more than a week now. You actually see as the air left the crop, the level of formula rising a little spurts there. He wants more, but maybe a little bit more, but I think he's pretty much had enough. You don't want to overfeed them, they won't eat until they burst. Yeah. And that's not good. But they do have almost comically huge crops when they're full at this age. The birds seem to be like half bellied. Right. Some new clean substrate for them. I'm back into the brooder. Very quick, this batch. See you next time.